On number 2, we have Paranormal Activity 3. Paranormal Activity 3 is a supernatural horror film. It is the third film of the Paranormal Activity series and serves as a prequel set 18 years prior to the events of the first two films. In 1988, young sisters Katie and Christy befriend an invisible entity who resides in their home. It stars Chloe Century, Jessica Tyler Brown, and Christopher Nicholas Smith.
Katie, Christy, say hi to the camera. Something's going on.
What do you think it is?
Do the knocking game you showed me, remember? How do you do it?
I don't know, ask her.
I really like that trick.
It's not a trick. She's been doing it all day.
There was something in the house.
Christy's like connected.
A real-life poltergeist.
She's like Carol Ann. I just gotta film this stuff. I set up my cameras around the house, right? I can maybe capture something.
Yeah.
Julie, watch. See that?
What? Oh my god. What is going on?
Hey, Christy. I saw you talking to somebody.
Kinda. He's very sweet. He's my friend.
I don't see him.
Standing right next to you.
Honey, he's not there.
This is not simply about Christy. This is connected to your side of the family.
He definitely knows about her. Katie?
I'm worried about you and the girls.
Somebody say something!
I felt like digging in my side.
Did you hear that?
It's okay.
It was scared.
We're getting out of here. Just get in the car and drive.
On number 1, we have Johnny English Reborn. Johnny English Reborn is a British spy comedy film parodying the James Bond secret agent genre and film franchise reboots. The film is a sequel to Johnny English 2003 and stars Rowan Atkinson reprising his role as the title character. It also stars Rosamund Pike and Dominic West.
For 5 winters now, you have hidden from the world. Once you are great warrior, I will make you warrior again.
How?
You must train hard. Make hard what is soft. Mind must be master of the body.
Master, what is my destiny?
MI7 wants you on the first flight back to London. Only then can you be reborn. English.
Don't worry. You can count on me.
Closer. I may not know much about golf, Tucker, but I know how to hold the bat.
These talks are of paramount importance. Rogue states in Southeast Asia have begun secretly to develop nuclear weapons. It is vital that we get China on side.
English?
Give me 24 hours.
Johnny English Reborn.
So let's take a recap of the top 5 movies to watch this Eid. On number 5, we have Bodyguard. On number 4, we have Ra 1. On number 3, we have The Three Musketeers. On number 2, we have Paranormal Activity 3. And on number 1, we have Johnny English Reborn. Now let's take a look at the top 5 television dramas. On number 5, we have Kaash Main Teri Beti Na Hoti. This drama serial highlights the concept of living conditions of a poor family and the hardships and difficulties they face in their daily lives. Things are never easy for Khushi, commonly known as Pagli, and her entire family, with their father Akbar Ali selling newspapers but hardly earning anything, and their mother Sulekha working as a maid in a rich house. This story takes an amazing turn. It will show you how the elite rich class manipulates the poor class for their own motives and then discards them once they are no longer needed. It stars Fatma Effendi, Danish Taimur, Shahid Naqvi, Javeria Abbasi, Salma Zafar, Salim Mehraj and Ismat Zaidi. On number 4 we have Main Hari. The story revolves around the vicious lust of money and its consequences. The saga revolves around Ehsan and Sara, both bonded with a relation of love, which is pure for one and a deception for the other. Sara, being a wealthy girl, gets trapped in Ehsan's nefarious plan of obtaining her wealth. Will Sara and Bela be able to escape from their trap? What will be the end to this lust? All these and several other questions are answered by a story to remember. It stars Shahud Alvi, Maria Vasti, Asfar Rahman, Sana Askari and Lubna Aslam.
मैंने तुम्हें मना किया था ना ऑफिस जाने के लिए। तुम्हारी समझ में एक दफा की बात क्यों नहीं आती है सारा?
हमारे पास भी जॉब नहीं है, मैं भी घर बैठ गई तो कैसे चलेगा?
सब कुछ तुम ही तो चला रही हो। ये घर भी और ये दुनिया भी।
किस्मत में नहीं मेरे, किस्मत से लड़ना क्या?
तुम घर बैठ जाओगी तो सब कुछ रुक जाएगा, सारा कारोबार बंद हो जाएगा।